Carnival Pride Cabin 5257.
This is a balcony cabin on the Carnival Pride, aft and starboard side.
You come in to the hallway area, and immediately you have 3 closets on the left. Very spacious closets. This one here has 2 rods in it. And then you'll see in this last one, we have the different shelving options in here. You can put those up or use the rods that are in here as well. And there's 2 in this closet as well, in case you have a lot to hang. Also, a full-size mirror on this door. We have the bathroom here. You open this up. You have the shower, the toilet, and the vanity area. And then we come out. This is a 3-person room. So this is a bed, or a sofa that turns into a bed, rather. There are no drop beds from the ceiling. We have the vanity area here with the stool and the full-size mirror with lights. The section down here for the mini fridge. Stock this with the soda here in a little bit. We have the safe up here, the TV, the 2 twins pushed together into the king, the storage over here, and this is a connecting room, so there would be the entrance to the room beside us. And last but not least, we have the balcony. Currently, we're here in the Port of Baltimore, so you can see the super close parking here for the Carnival Pride in the Port of Baltimore. And you have 2 chairs and a table out here, and soon to be views of the ocean.